Once upon a time, a chubby orange cat was very angry because his favorite beer was finished. He felt frustrated and decided to sneak into a nearby shop to steal some. As he tiptoed through the alley, he spotted a clever little fox watching him with curious eyes. Inside, the shelves were filled with delicious drinks, and the cat's eyes sparkled with excitement. However, just as he grabbed a can, the shopkeeper, a large badger, caught him red-pawed. The angry cat was shooed out of the shop, feeling embarrassed and defeated.